Hey everyone, my name is Liam, and today is a very special day. I am going to New York City. I am packing my suitcase right now. New York, here I come. I am so excited. I cannot sleep. I cannot eat. I can only think about New York. Check. Money. Check. I am ready. My suitcase is very full. Too many clothes. But that is okay. I need all of them. I have a list of things to do in New York. The Statue of Liberty, Central Park, pizza. Yes, pizza is very important. It is midnight, and I cannot sleep. I am too excited. Tomorrow, I fly to New York. Good morning. Today is the day. I am going to New York. Let's go. No time for breakfast. We need to go. I will eat on the plane. Maybe. Passport. Phone. Keys. Wallet. Okay. I think I have everything. Let's do. Goodbye, my little apartment. I will see you in a few days. Wish me luck. We are leaving. The adventure begins right now. Let's go to New York. Wow, this airport is huge. I have never seen so many people in one place. There are so many flights. London, Tokyo, Paris, and New York. That is my flight. Time to check in my suitcase. Goodbye, heavy bag. I will see you in New York. I have to take off my shoes at security. That is a little strange, but okay. Now I am inside the airport. There are shops, restaurants, and so many things to look at. Look at those airplanes. They are so big, and one of them will take me to New York. Now I wait at the gate. My flight is in 30 minutes. We are boarding now. This is really happening. I am going to New York. I am walking to the airplane right now. I can see it. This is incredible. I am inside the airplane now. It is so big inside. Let me find my seat. I found my seat. It is a window seat. Perfect. I can see everything from here. We are going up. Look at that. The city is getting smaller and smaller. This is amazing. Look at the clouds. We are above the clouds right now. I am flying above the clouds. This is my airplane food. I am not sure what this is, but I am hungry, so let's try it. I can see buildings. Tall buildings. That must be New York City. We are almost there. This is my hotel room. Oh, wow. It is beautiful. And look at that window. Best bed in the world. I am so tired from the flight. But first, let me enjoy this moment. I am here. I am really in New York City. I cannot believe this is real life. Come and look at this view. You can see the city from here. The buildings, the streets, everything. Okay, time to unpack. I brought maybe too many shirts, but I want to look good in every photo. So the flight was 8 hours. 8 hours, but it was worth it. New York. I am here. I have a paper map of New York. There is so much to see. Where do I start? I need water. The flight makes you very thirsty. Drink water, everyone. It is important. Okay. I look good. I am ready to go outside and explore New York City. I have my camera, my key card, and my excitement. That is all I need. Let's go! Goodbye, hotel room. I will see you tonight. Now, I go to explore the city. Backpack is on, camera is ready, and I am 100% ready for New York. Come on! Let's go explore the greatest city in the world. New York, here we come! Oh my. Wow. Look at these buildings. They are so tall. I feel so small right. Yellow taxis. Real New York yellow taxis. Just like in the movies. This is so cool. I am standing in the middle of it all right now. The lights, the sounds, the people. I love this city. There are so many people here. Everyone is walking very fast. I need to walk faster too. Say hello, New York. I am filming my vlog right here on the street. Is that okay? Yes, that is very okay. I can smell something delicious. What is that? Oh, it is a food cart. I love New York. This is New York pizza. One slice is very big. Almost the same size as my face. Oh wow, this is the best pizza I've ever eaten in my life. New York pizza is #1. If you come to New York, you must eat the pizza. This is the most important advice I can give you. Now I cross the street with hundreds of people. In New York, everyone crosses at the same time. I am spinning around looking at everything. There is too much to see. My neck is getting dizzy. There is a street performer here. He is very talented. New York has something on every corner. Ah, I found a souvenir shop. I need to buy something to remember this trip. This little one is perfect. Look what I bought. This little souvenir is coming home with me. My first New York souvenir. It is getting dark now, and the city is even more beautiful at night. The lights everywhere. I want to take the subway now. The map is a little confusing. There are so many lines. I found the subway entrance. Underground trains. This is going to be a great experience. Probably. Okay. I am going underground now. Wish me luck. The New York subway? Here I come. The subway station is underground. It is a little dark, but it is exciting. This subway map is very complicated. There are so many lines and colors. I am looking for I am on the subway platform now. I can hear the train coming. I am waiting for my train. I am on the subway train in New York. This is The real New York experience. Wait a moment. Wait. This is the wrong train. I took the wrong train. Oh no! I have no signal here underground. My phone cannot help me right now. This is a problem. Okay, I am lost in the New York subway. This is not part of my plan, but it is okay. I can fix this. So, I am lost in the subway. If you are watching this video, at least you know where not to go. Excuse me, I am lost. Can you help me? I need to go to the city center. Which train is correct? Waiting on places. The police officer? Yes. Take the train on platform 2. It will take you directly. No problem, young man. I found the right train. Thank you to the very helpful police officer. I am saved. Let's go. Central Park. Finally. Fresh air. After the subway adventure, this park is like paradise. This park is beautiful. There are big trees, green grass, and everywhere you look, it is peaceful. Look, a little squirrel in New York. Even the animals are friendly. Hello, little friend. There is a beautiful lake here. People are rowing little boats. New York is so full of surprises. I need to sit down for a moment. My legs are tired from all the walking. But it is a happy tired. So let me tell you about my day so far. Airport, airplane, pizza, subway, wrong train, and now park. What a day. I found an ice cream cart in the park. In New York, you can find food everywhere. I love this city. Look at that family having a picnic. They look so relaxed. That is the Central Park life. Beautiful. I am standing on a little bridge in the park. The water is very calm, and the city is right there, behind the trees. The light is coming through the trees right now. It is so beautiful. I need to remember this moment. You can see the tall buildings above the trees, the city and the park, right next to each other. Amazing. Goodbye, Central Park. You are one of the most beautiful places I have ever visited. Thank you. Oh, my goodness. Look at this view. The entire city. I have no words. I am walking to the edge right now. I can see everything. Every building, every street, every light. Look at this sunset over New York City. The sky is orange, pink, and the city is glowing. I will never forget this. I came here with a dream, to visit New York City. And right now, I am standing on a rooftop, watching the sunset. Dreams are... The lights are turning on now, one by one. The city is lighting up. It is like 10 million little stars. I could stay here forever. This view, this feeling, I want to keep it in my heart forever. I could stay here forever. This view, this feeling, I want to keep it in my heart forever. Look! I am comparing my little souvenir to the real city. They look almost the same. Almost. Thank you, New York. Thank you for this view. Thank you for this moment. I will carry this always. I am home. I am finally home. My legs hurt, my feet hurt, and I am 100% happy. I am looking at my little souvenir from New York. Every time I see it, I will remember everything. I am putting it right here on my shelf. It is my little trophy from New York City. My proof that I did it. I am looking at all my photos from the trip. The pizza photo is my favorite, obviously. I want to tell you something important. If you have a dream, do not wait. Just go. Just do it. Life is short, and learn English. Because English opens every door, every airport, every city, every dream. If you want to come with me on my next adventure, please subscribe to our channel right now. Click that button. I will see you in the next story. Goodbye for now.